Struggling to climb stairs without a sharp twinge in your knee? Do those morning walks feel more like a painful shuffle? You're not alone. It's easy to think, oh, it's just my age creeping in. But I'm here to tell you, it's not just age. That stiffness and pain is often a signal that your joint cartilage is wearing thin, and that can risk your independence and the quality of life you deserve. From playing with the grandkids to simply enjoying a stroll in the park. The good news? You can absolutely turn this around. I'm Dr. David Thompson, a health expert dedicated to helping people aged 60 and over live, vibrant, active lives. Today I'm sharing 7 powerful natural foods that leading science shows can help rebuild knee cartilage and provide relief from joint pain fast. These aren't complicated supplements. They're simple ingredients you can start adding to your shopping trolley today. Stick with me until the end. I'll reveal the one food that is scientifically proven to be the most beneficial for joint repair. And let me know in the comments, does this stiffness sound familiar? Food number 1, the golden spice. Let's dive straight in with food number 1. This is a brilliant golden spice called turmeric. You've probably seen it in your pantry. Here's the thing. The pain in your knee isn't just friction. It's inflammation. Think of it as a constant, low-level fire in your joints. Turmeric contains a compound called curcumin. A study from the Journal of Medicinal Food found that curcumin can be as effective as some anti-inflammatory medications for reducing pain in those with knee osteoarthritis, but without the side effects. It's a natural firefighter for your joints. How to use it? You don't need to be a chef. Start your day with a turmeric latte or golden milk. It takes 5 minutes. Just mix a teaspoon of turmeric with a little black pepper. That pepper helps your body absorb the curcumin into a warm mug of milk. Or add a pinch to scrambled eggs. You'll be surprised how easy this is. Speaking of simple changes, before we get to our second food, let's talk about a quick habit that will double the impact of these foods. I call this our hydration check. Cartilage is mostly water, and if you're dehydrated, it's like trying to walk on dry sponges. It hurts, so before you grab that cup of tea or coffee, have a big glass of water. This is part of our ongoing Health After 60 series. And if you're finding this information helpful and want to see more ways to stay active and independent, please take a second right now to hit that like button and subscribe. It really helps us reach more people who need this advice. Thank you. Food. Number 2, the sweet tropical joint healer. Food number 2 is a tropical delight. Pineapple. Now you might think it's just a sweet treat, but the core of a pineapple contains a powerful enzyme called bromelain. Bromelain is a miracle worker for reducing swelling and pain. Think of it as cleaning out the debris that causes the soreness in your joints after a long day of activity. Research from Germany has repeatedly shown its effectiveness, especially for reducing post-activity swelling. How to use it? Don't toss the center. The core is where the bromelain concentration is highest. You can easily blend the core into your morning smoothie. It adds sweetness and takes 2 minutes. Or chop up a bowl of fresh pineapple for a refreshing afternoon snack. This simple addition can help you enjoy things like playing golf or gardening without the inevitable achiness the next day. Food number 3, power-packed seeds for cartilage support. Let's move to tip number 3, and here's where we focus on rebuilding. We need the building blocks for new cartilage, and that means healthy fats. Enter flax seeds and chia seeds. These tiny seeds are an incredible source of a specific omega-3 fat called ALA. Your body uses this to fight inflammation and, crucially, to maintain the structure of your cartilage. It's like giving your body the high-quality cement it needs to repair the cracks. How to use it? A simple habit is to grind a tablespoon of flax seeds and sprinkle them over your morning cereal, oats, or yogurt. They're virtually flavorless, but the benefits are massive. You'll be surprised how easy this is to make a part of your daily breakfast. This doesn't just help your joints, it keeps you moving freely for years. Food number 4, your daily dose of omega-3s. Speaking of omega-3s, food number 4 is a classic. Oily fish, specifically salmon, mackerel, or sardines. If the seeds are the cement, these fish are the master builders. Oily fish contain EPA and DHA, the most potent forms of omega-3s. A landmark study published in the journal Arthritis and Rheumatology found that these fats dramatically reduced the pain and morning stiffness associated with joint issues. Your knees are begging for this. How to use it? Aim for 2 servings a week. You don't have to cook a gourmet meal. For our friends in the UK and Australia, a tin of sardines on toast is a perfect budget-friendly lunch. For anyone, baked or grilled salmon once or twice a week is an excellent quick dinner. This is a powerful science-backed way to keep you active and enjoying time with the grandkids. Food on number 5, the breakfast classic for joint lubrication. Let's move to a breakfast staple, oats. You might be thinking, oats? How can a bowl of porridge help my knees? Here's where it gets interesting. Oats are high in a type of fiber called beta-glucan. This fiber is a superstar at keeping your digestive system healthy, which, believe it or not, has a direct impact on your immune system and your joint inflammation. By calming your overall system, your body can focus on joint repair instead of fighting internal stress. Plus, they help manage your weight, and every pound you lose is 4 pounds of pressure off your knees. How to use it? Swap your usual white toast for a small bowl of oats. It's a breakfast classic for a reason. You can even add our flax seeds and turmeric to make it a joint power bowl. Picture enjoying a morning walk in the park without that stiffness. These simple swaps get you there. Food number 6, the green gem for bone strength. Food number 6 is the dark leafy green powerhouse, kale or spinach. This one is vital because strong, healthy bones are the foundation that supports your joint cartilage. If the foundation is weak, the joint takes more stress. These greens are loaded with 2 key nutrients, vitamin K and calcium. Vitamin K is essential for bone mineralization. It helps your body properly use the calcium you consume. A study from Boston University showed that folks with higher vitamin K intake had a significantly lower risk of developing osteoarthritis. How to use it? You don't have to eat big, bitter salads. The easiest way? Add a big handful of spinach to that morning smoothie. You won't taste it, I promise. Or sauté some kale with a little garlic and olive oil for a delicious side dish. Keeping your bone structure strong means staying independent longer. Food for 7, the surprising kitchen staple. And now for the last, and arguably the most important food, the humble onion and garlic. I know, a bit surprising, right? Both garlic and onions contain powerful sulfur compounds. Sulfur is an absolute essential building block for cartilage. Think of it as the foundational scaffolding. Without enough sulfur, your body struggles to repair the connective tissues in your knee. Garlic also contains diallyl disulfide, which has been shown to inhibit cartilage-damaging enzymes. How to use it? The good news is, these are already in so many meals. The key is to use them fresh and cook with them regularly. Sauté onions and garlic as the base for all your sauces, soups, and stir-fries. They add incredible flavor and give you a daily dose of cartilage rebuilding power. This is the one food group you should be aiming for every single day. Before we wrap up, here's a quick bonus tip that works alongside these 7 foods. Gentle movement. Remember, motion is lotion. Low-impact exercises like swimming or cycling help circulate the nutrient-rich fluid to your cartilage, keeping it nourished. Combine these foods with a 15-minute gentle walk, and you'll feel the difference. Let's quickly summarize those key takeaways. We've covered 7 simple foods, from the anti-inflammatory power of turmeric to the cartilage-building sulfur in onions and garlic. By making just a couple of these additions each week, you are actively choosing health and independence. Imagine chasing your grandkids across the garden, taking that multi-day walking trip, or just getting up from your chair without that dreaded pain. These 7 steps get you there. They allow you to feel stronger, move easier, and stay sharp. If you found this information empowering, please take a moment right now to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss our next video, and I want to hear from you. Which of these 7 tips are you going to try first? Drop it in the comments below. I read every single one. You won't want to miss what's coming next. Your knees are begging for this, the ultimate diet to keep cartilage strong. After 50, don't miss it. Thank you for watching, and here's to a pain-free life.